create a sketch on the bottom plane. Okay, now we have this problem. That's because we are working online. So take this offline. Okay, we're creating a sketch on the bottom plane. And I want you to create polygon, circumscribed polygon. It's important that you put the cursor on the center, and this should be 60. And it's also important that these points are on the red line. Finish the sketch. Open the data panel. My first project, speaker components, and we want to use the audio amplifier. You must have this saved or you will get an error message. Okay, now I want to look at the right hand side and drag this out to somewhere here. Does not have to be exact. Press OK. Now we're going to extrude this shape. I'm going to make this 80. You can make it 90 or 100, but not bigger than 100. New body, press OK. Then we are going to shell the inside. 3. Press OK. Okay, we're nearly there. In the bodies, body 1, select this 3 times. We call this the shell. Right click, opacity control, 40, and look from the right side. We need to move this, so right click, move. I want to move that up and in. It's important there's a small space here. Press OK. Right click, opacity control 100. The last part here is assemble as built joint, capture position, select the shell, okay, select the amplifier and then the shell. Press OK. That is the first part. Now, data panel, speaker, insert the speaker, we need to rotate this speaker, Z angle 90, and we're going to rotate the X angle minus 30. Press OK. Shell, right click, opacity control 50. Let's look from the right. We need to move this speaker. Okay, I want to move it up and move it out. Does not have to be an exact number. Anywhere you think the speaker looks good. Opacity control. Okay, it won't let me do that, so let's just press OK. Opacity control 100. Now the speaker must come out more, so right click, move. Going to bring that out. Now that's a little bit too much. So -5 is too much. Let's try -3. I think that's okay. Okay, now we have the speaker. Turn on the origin. Create mirror. Capture position. Mirror type is components. We want to mirror our speaker. Mirror plane is the middle plane. Press OK. Turn off the origin. Okay, now we have our two speakers. We need to make holes for these speakers. So create a sketch on this plane. Create project. And we're going to project the outside of this. Press OK. Hide the speaker. You now have a hole here. Finish the sketch. Extrude. Select the hole and push it through. Press OK. We need another hole over here. So again, turn on the origin. Create mirror. This time we want to mirror features, and the feature was our extrude. The mirror plane again is this one here. It's okay. We now have two holes. We can put our speakers back in. And save. You are now ready to move on to LMS, creating a top for the speaker.